I did it to be smarter.
Clean their clothes without detergent.
Spend less money on hot water.
Dump fewer chemicals down the drain.
Sweeter smelling kids. I did it because it was the best decision for my family and the environment.
No matter why you want better laundry, CleanStart will help. CleanStart is the innovative detergent-free way to do laundry that pays for itself while giving you the cleanest, freshest wash. Traditional laundry requires a combination of cold and hot water, detergent, and other chemicals to produce a load of wash. With hundreds of loads of wash every year, that's a significant amount of money and chemicals dumped down the drain. Introducing the better way. CleanStart uses the same commercial laundry technology that we developed for trusted brands such as Hilton and Marriott, meeting their high standards for spotless, eco-friendly laundry. By oxidizing normal tap water, CleanStart turns cold water into activated oxygen, the most effective, non-toxic cleaning compound available that folds into the laundry, opening up the threads of the fabric for an odor-killing, disinfecting wash. Used for both the wash and rinse cycles, the result is laundry that is cleaner, softer, and lasts longer. No more sorting the wash based on water temperature means fewer loads. And CleanStart works with your existing washer, saving you up to $655 a year for a family of 4. So nothing changes with how you do laundry, except spending less money on detergent and hot water, and using little or no chemicals that hurt the environment. For laundry that smells fresher than ever before.
And sweet smelling kids.
Now that's a smart home. CleanStart.